Assalamu alaikum dear Lasanians. I hope you're all fine. Welcome in third semester. I'm your SST teacher and today we're going to start our day 4 and 5 SST working. Unit number 9, page number 59. Tutankhamun, the boy king. Tutankhamun became pharaoh nearly 3400 years ago. He was only 9 years old. He died when he was almost 18. He is famous because of his tomb. Tomb means maqbara. Page number 60. Discovery of ancient treasures. Discovery means दरियाफ्त करना. Ancient treasures, kadeem khazane. The archaeologist Howard Carter spent many years looking for Tutankhamun's tomb. He found it in 1922. Robbers had taken parts, but most of the young king's belongings were still in the tomb. Howard Carter found big statues means mujasme, of Tutankhamun and Egyptian gods. One was of the goddess Isis. The statues looked as if they were guarding the tomb. Page number 61. What did the ancient Egyptians write on? Papyrus is a plant that grows all over the Nile Valley. The ancient Egyptians used the papyrus plant to make a type of paper. They rolled the paper and tied it to make a type of book. They wrote on papyrus as well as on the walls of tombs. On page number 62, here's an activity. You can play it with your friends. This game is for 4 players. You need 3 more players to play this game. You need pieces of paper with a number from 1 to 6 on each. Turn them over to hide the numbers. Each player needs a button to move along the board. You require a button to start the game. Take turns to pick up a paper. Move your button that number of spaces. Answer the question then turn back the pages to check if you are right. Score a point for each correct answer. The winner is the player with the most points when all have passed finished. You can play this game with your friends at home in the prescribed way. Now we're going to start our day 5 working. Now we will start question answers from page number 58. Our first question is, why was it important to look after dead bodies in ancient Egypt? The answer is to make sure people could go on to the afterlife. Second question is, what could stop them from going on to the next life? The answer is having a heart that was too heavy to stop them from going on to the next life. Now on page number 58, our first question is, list 3 ways that people became slaves. Slaves mean ghulam. Poor families sometimes sold their children as slaves. Armies captured prisoners in battles and brought them back as slaves. The pharaohs made all the Hebrew, this is second form, we will call it Hebrew people in Egypt to work as slaves. Our second question is, how was a slave different from any other poor person? Answer is, they were not free to leave the people they worked for. Third question is, why do you think the pharaohs liked to have slaves? Now answer is, to have plenty of workers to build palaces, pyramids and statues. Now we will start question answers from page number 60. Our first question is, why do you think they put statues of their gods in Tutankhamun's tomb? Answer is, they put statues of their gods in the tomb to guard the tomb and look after Tutankhamun in the afterlife. Second question is, imagine you are Howard Carter. write his diary for the day he found Tutankhamun's tomb? Now the answer is, what a wonderful day. This morning we opened the tomb of Tutankhamun. We found big statues of Tutankhamun and ancient Egyptian gods. We even found paintings of the gods taking him to the next life. Most exciting of all, we found a wooden coffin, COFFIN coffin, covered with gold. That's our working for today. I hope you will learn it by heart. Thank you, students. Allah Hafiz.